What's up, blooms? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I went from a blowout to braid out using some new products. So go ahead and stay tuned. Don't forget to like this video, comment, and subscribe. Alright, y'all, so before we hop into this braid out, I wanted to show y'all what my hair is looking like. I just washed my hair using the Maximum Thermal Protection line from Uncle Funky's daughter. This line is specifically targeted for helping to protect against heat damage. After I cleansed my hair, I went ahead and used their deep conditioner. The Maximum Thermal Protection deep conditioner helps to strengthen your tresses and is quinoa infused to help provide a layer of thermal protection. I made sure to add the product as thoroughly as possible. I also never used a deep conditioner that was specifically targeted to help with minimizing the risk of heat damage, so I thought this product was really cool. Let me know if you've used it before or if this is something you'd be interested in trying out. Next, I'm going in with the Maximum Thermal Protection Heat Protectant. This is a primer spray to help stand up to heat damage, and this is a silk infused heat protectant. Now, this product helps to provide a layer of heat protection. It strengthens the hair and helps to reduce frizz. Now, the last product that I'm using here is the Thermal Protection 3-in-1 Shine Booster. This helps to give your tresses a luminous glow and delivers shine to your hair with 11 essential oils, including manoi, grapeseed, avocado, and coconut oil. I'm working the products thoroughly into my hair because I'm going to stretch my hair using a blow dryer, and just wanted to make sure that my hair is protected before applying direct heat to it. So now I'm using the tension method to blow dry my hair. I have other videos on my channel explaining in detail how I use the tension method and also the revers when it comes to blow drying and things like that. So go ahead and check out those other videos if you're interested. So this is what my hair looks like after blow drying. I'm definitely noticing some growth. I can see my color is growing out, and I'm so excited for that. This was a wash day that I had after using this product. As you can see, my curls are still intact after using heat. I definitely want to use this product again next time when I apply heat to my hair, or even before I straighten my hair. I really want to see how the product holds up and if it really helps with avoiding to get heat damage. So now it's time to style, and I'm just sectioning off my hair so that I can have a better base to work off of. I'm going to be using the Glide and Sleek Ayurvedic Fenugreek Hair Grease from Botanicals. This product smells so good, y'all, and it has nourishing Ayurvedic ingredients. I really like this product, and I thought that it worked really well on my stretched hair. I also used this product on wet hair too, and I thought that it was great. I'm not using a really big amount of the hair grease because I didn't want my hair to be weighed down or anything. Usually when I do my braid outs on stretch hair, I like using something like a hair butter, whether that's like a shea butter kind of a mixture or something like a grease, just so that my hair doesn't revert back, especially if I'm trying to keep it stretched. So I thought this hair grease worked really well. Let me know if you tried this product before from Botanicals. I know they've been coming out with some new goodies. Let me know if you've tried them or if there's anything from Botanicals that I should pick up next. After warming up the grease in my hands, I'm applying it to my hair, and then I'm going to start braiding. I'm making sure to braid as evenly as possible so that my braid out will look more defined and uniform. I'm also braiding I don't want to say too tightly, but more firmly, because the tighter you braid, the more definition you'll get. Add a little product to your ends just to keep them moisturized and to also get a good braid out. I'm also adding some perm rods at the ends for extra definition, but you don't have to. All right, y'all, so I'm just repeating the same steps all over. I'm sectioning off my hair, making sure to get the part right. After that, I use a small amount of the hair grease, not too much. Like I said, you don't want your hair to be too weighed down. Although I feel like this product wasn't as greasy, it didn't leave my hair feeling too weighed down, but definitely keep that in mind for the products that you're using. If you're looking to do a braid out or twist out or anything like that on stretched hair, go ahead and use something like a butter or a grease if you're still looking to keep your hair stretched. I also feel like sometimes you can get away with using a mousse and still get somewhat the same of a stretch. I know when I do a flexi rod set on blow dried hair, I still get a good amount of stretch if that's what you're looking for. So I haven't done a braid out on stretch hair using mousse before. That's something that would be interesting to see if I still get the same kind of result. But let me know if you've tried a mousse braid out before on stretched hair and how it turned out. Definitely would be interested in hearing how that went for you. All right, y'all, so my braids are all set. I have my perm rods at the end and let this set overnight. And the next day, I'm going to show y'all how I take my braids down. I'm just unraveling the perm rods at the end and making sure to take my time to take the braids down. I did add a little bit of oil to the tips of my fingers just to take the braids down a little bit easier. And this is what the braid out is looking like so far. I'm unbraiding the hair and then going through to separate them. You can leave your hair like this. You don't have to do too much manipulation, especially if you want to keep the definition. But I did go ahead and use my pick to fluff my hair and get a little bit more volume. But this step right here, just taking the braids down and lightly separating it, I think that works just fine too. I really like with this braid out how you're able to see my new hair color and the highlights. It made my hair pop really well, and I feel like it brought out the color a little bit more. Are you team twist out or team braid out? Let me know in the comments. After going through and picking my hair to get more volume, I laid down my edges with this Shine and Jam, and these are my final results. Let me know what y'all think so far of this braid out. So I am all done with my hair, and this is what we are working with. Let me know what you think of this braid out. This is very different from the usual twist outs and wash and goes that I do. I haven't done a braid out in my hair in a very long time. So if you voted in my poll recently where I asked which style I should do on stretch hair, thank you so much for choosing a braid out, because it has been a while since I've done that, and I hope you guys enjoyed how the braid braid out turned out. Let me know how you usually do your braid outs. Do you style it on wet hair or stretch hair? But yeah, this is day one. I hope I get to enjoy this braid out for a couple more days, but the way the weather is set up, I don't know if this hairstyle is going to last. You can see a little bit more of my hair color and the highlights, everything that's going on. So yeah, I think this is pretty cute, especially for a very simple and easy style. I only installed a couple of braids and added the rods at the end. I think the color looks really pretty with this style. It comes out a little bit more. So yeah, y'all, let me know what you think of this hairstyle, and thank you for those who participated in the poll recently. I appreciate it. Definitely enjoy when you guys are interacting with me in the community tab. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you next time.